Good day, traders. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, RJO Futures, coming to you from the CME Group trading floor with my comments on stock index futures. Well, we're in a huge bull market. We've had a lot of good data this week. We're up about 19% for the stock index futures. On a fundamental point of view, we have the central bank in the United States still waiting to taper. They're not ready to do so just yet. That helped the stock markets rally this week. Manufacturer in the United States is good. Manufacturer in China came out this week that was good. Europe is doing a little better, or is at least not on the front burner of problems at the moment. Fairly quiet in the Middle East. So all is well. Looking at the earnings this quarter, 73% or 75% basically are beating the street. So earnings in general are pretty darn good. We made a new high. The central banks want to help it. And so, you know, the trend's your friend. We're up about 19%. I got to tell you, you need some kind of, you know, normally you'd think we're overbought. So what you want to see is, you want to see on a technical point of view some kind of signal or chart pattern that would tell you things are changing. Now, if we get the central banks to say, yes, we're going to taper starting in September right away, that would do it on a fundamental. But looking in general, you want to look at the technicals. After looking at the fundamentals are all going towards higher pricing, even if it's artificial or not, doesn't even matter. They're buying, so you go with the flow. Now, when you look at the technicals, you need a higher high and a higher and a lower low, an outside trading day to a lower close 2 days in a row. You need a higher high for the move and a much lower close than the previous 2 days for a key reversal, an island reversal. You need some kind of chart pattern that would give you a signal that things are giving way and the bulls are finally tired and want to take some profit taking. For right now, the bulls are in command and the flow is your friend, or the trend is your friend, and you basically want to go with it. Now, you know, for the contrarian traders that are saying, hey, 19% is way too much, it probably is. And somewhere along the line, we're going to need to have a step back, meaning we've had 4 or 5 steps up with very little pullback, and we need a pullback if the market is going to be healthy. But for right now, the easy flow is to the upside. The bulls are in complete control, and that's kind of how I see it. So you're looking for some kind of economic fundamental reason why that would shift after 4.5 or 5 years of going up, or you're going to need a chart pattern to tell you that short term is turning down or at least sideways. Looking at the technicals in the September S&P future contract, I would have to say there is minor resistance at 1721, and probably the target that some of the bulls are looking for is around 1750. I would have to say that your first support level going down would be somewhere around 1681, and really a trend reversal, something to hang your hat on, would be 1640, 1638, and that would definitely put the bears in control. We have some very volatile markets where they move 20, 30 points in the S&P, so 10 points is nothing to me, but in my opinion, noise. As always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, not suitable for everyone. Please contact me at RJO Futures, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, and I can help you with any trading needs that you have. Thank you.